Sorry, there was some disturbance. I think I got logged off. And yes, we are back on Roaring Cycle Spotlight. And I'm just waiting for our guests to join in again, and then we should be good. So tell me, what is it that you people have been doing in the weekend? Did you go for any ride? Today I had a very special day in the morning because I went around and I met all my students whom I have been teaching for the past 1 year on how to ride motorcycles. And trust me, we had a lovely time together, and we spent. It was a small break. We enjoyed a lot. Trust me. So yes, I'm just adding our guest in, and let's see. Hey, how are you?
Hello, I'm
Yes,
good.
I'm good too. नहीं नहीं
Okay,
सीधा पोर्ट्रेट मोड पे.
portrait, huh?
हाँ.
Okay, here.
Okay. Hey, hi.
Hello,
How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm good. Good to see you both
Thank
together.
you
Thank you,
so
thank you.
much.
Thank you for the invite.
And thank you for joining Roaring Cycle Spotlight. And I
Pleasure.
hope we'll have an enjoyable conversation as always, as ever.
Hopefully.
Yeah.
Sure.
So, Satish, let's start with our HR question of tell me something about yourself other than being a biker. We will come to your biker question later, but you have to tell me something before that about
Something,
yourself.
something Satish
All about
Narasimhan.
yourself.
Yeah, something Satish Narasimhan, born Coimbatore, settled in Mysore, working for an MNC. So married Kavita Satish, has a daughter. She's
Okay.
in first year PUC.
Wow.
That's it about. Then riding.
Okay. And Kavita, what about you?
I born, brought up here in Mysore, met this hunk,
Okay.
and the rest is history, as they say.
That's nice. And what do you do as a profession, Kavita?
I was an editor-in-chief for a magazine. That's an in-house magazine for his company. I
Okay.
did it for quite some time, and then probably I'm a good housewife, homemaker now, trying to be,
Pillion.
Pillion,
and
pillion
always,
homemaker.
yes, pillion homemaker, of course.
Awesome, awesome. So, yes, Satish, tell us how did biking get into your blood? How did you
Biking,
got started?
yeah, it was all these, the young age wherein you like to go fast, kind of. So it all started with that only. But since
Uh-huh.
biking being little expensive and need a lot of effort and money and motorcycles, yes. So just started with the regular biking, wherein I used to like RX. And then unfortunately the bike was stopped. Then I picked up a Shogun.
Uh-huh.
So, so it started from there, the riding and the pillion, everything.
मतलब
So,
बाइक लिया फिर लड़की भी पटा ली.
नहीं लड़की पटाई bike था, everything was there, yeah. It was like probably it was destined or like it was chalked out even before. So yeah.
so we used to do biking, like we had a group called No Fear
Back in
long back,
97.
back in 97.
Yeah.
So we used to travel in and around more or less like within the Karnataka area. But it used to be like crazy ride, I would say. There were no helmet, there was no nothing. We used to fix up on a destination. Whoever goes first, let them go. That is how it
Very,
was.
very primitive. Riding का जो आजकल का है ना, that thing is totally different from what it used to be before. So I would say it was very primitive. Riding ka ABC, only you know is throttle the bike and you just go. That's about it. No safety, no helmet.
I know that must have been so much fun.
So yeah, those was the death day riding time or whatever it is. I don't know how every time we used to come back home, we used to feel like, okay, aaj to bach gaye. So that used to be. And these people used to have this crazy thing. If there's a bus approaching, please don't do this. Don't imitate this. As of now, It's a very decent and good riding community. So, but before, I'm telling, the thing is like, एक bus आगे से आ रहा है, and we used to get so thrilled just because you go straight head on, और ऐसा मौका देके like last minute पे एक चौका करके you just used to pass out. So that used to be very crazy. I don't know how many n number of times we have done that. Don't do it again. I'm telling you.
Good,
But
good.
वो दिन, वो ज़माने में. But
No,
now,
even the lorry bus drivers
So whatever
were
is to
crazy.
come.
They never used to leave way.
Yeah.
Okay, they just
Yeah.
overtake and come.
yeah.
So
Yeah.
couple of times, yes, we have done and such
Yeah, I
things.
remember, like, I mean, earlier, even the truck drivers used to be rash and they used not give,
Yeah, yeah.
side to.
And they don't give you way, and they will just overtake another vehicle and just keep coming. So we don't have other choice. So we just be on our path, go straight, and then जो भी
Okay.
जगह बचा है उससे निकल जाना.
I know I have done that too in very narrow roads where they don't allow us to go ahead and. But not
Exactly.
now. Now it is much better. I mean,
Now it is like the 4-lane.
Now
or
it is
this
much
thing is
better,
now-
but when we were doing this our 12K ride, in West Bengal, I faced this.
Yeah.
The lorry fellows literally that is a single lane road, but the lorry they just overtake at the same speed and they just don't bother. So we had couple of instances wherein they just came. We had no place to go. Left side was complete field.
No, the thing
But
is
still
also
they just came
yeah.
on. They
the
just keep coming.
attitude of a lorry guy or any other, the bus wala or the lorry guy or anything. Even Guy Bakri ka attitude bhi waisa hi hai on that road, especially in that area. And they are like, they will never move from where they are, but you have to make your own way. Either you are going inside a field or whatever, but you have to go from there. Even a goat will not move an inch, nor a cow will move an inch. They are just there. So the attitude is in the air.
No,
absolutely,
even
I can understand that.
yeah, we have to understand driving such a big vehicle. They will be doing it for hours. We are doing it for passion, but as a routine job, definitely it is not their passion thing. What they do, they are doing it for livelihood.
Correct. But sometimes, even we need to understand that it's not easy to swerve across, although we may give them a signal and all those things, but it is
Yes.
not easy for them to move around, and so they have to keep into that pace and they cannot lose that momentum. Before,
Exactly.
to
Exactly.
pick up, it is more tough for them than us.
Yes.
So,
Exactly.
third gear डाला, fourth gear डाला, फटाक फटाक निकल गए.
Yeah.
Exactly.
But another thing very appreciable about these lorry drivers is in one of the rides we had been to is that Hoganical Falls, okay, somewhere close to 250 kilometers. So there we happened to meet couple of lorry drivers are from that village near the falls. So couple of them came to me. They said, "Sir, we stay here. I've seen you on the Mumbai highways a couple of times."
Pune highway.
They were very specific. It was October, November. We saw
Oh.
you. A couple of drivers are very nice also, and especially when you travel on these highways, like 4 lanes and other lanes, you can trust the lorry drivers because they don't change their lane. The leftmost lane, which is for the two-wheelers, they never come to that path, but not the regular private vehicles or the bus guys you cannot trust. They just wherever possible they will come, but the lorry drivers they seriously drive stick to their lane. Yeah, in this highway I've seen couple of times like that.
Yeah, it's always that way. So I tell when I tell my students or anyone who's riding with me also, I tell them, bus ke piche mat jana. You never know when they
Yes.
will get into the right or
Yes.
into the left. They will not allow you to go. But truck ke piche tum ja sakte ho because you
Yes.
know, okay, they will aaram se lane.
And they will not just hop in or steer. They will maintain the lane. Yeah, some drivers are at fault, but yes, not all of them.
Yeah, obviously. So there are always miscreants everywhere. So
Yeah.
it's not,
Even
label
on
nahi
the
lagana.
two-wheelers. Yeah, even on the two-wheelers. Not all are saints.
Yeah, absolutely, absolutely. So, Satish, you have a group over there, Royal Crusaders, Mysore.
Bullet
Oh,
Crusaders,
sorry.
Mysore.
Yeah. How did you go about creating this group?
Yeah, dates back again from 15. I started with Royal Enfield.
Uh-huh.
A couple of passionate riders. We were all riding together. We did this Goa RERM 15-16 we attended, and then we thought it was time that we should have our own group. We are around 40 plus then. So we decided let's form. So the name also was like everybody sitting and discussing what should we keep, what should we keep. Then some of this cropped up Bullet Crusaders of Mysore. And then that's how we were born in 17. And our logo was designed by Ram Kumar Kolappan from Mad Bulls. So
Oh,
that's
nice.
how we got our design. So there's been a lot of love from the riding community also with regards to these stickers or the flags or our logo, all these things. Like we got one from each. So that is how the story of Crusaders started. And from there, I think you know.
Yeah, we have met in one of those events only. I mean,
Yeah,
GTG, where we got together. Even the
yes.
name itself is get together, so we
Get
got together
Get
together.
over
together,
there.
yeah. So yes,
So,
get
yeah,
together. We've been a couple of times. Yeah.
Kalpana says hello to you, and she says she wants that delicious
Hello.
coffee from you.
It's tea.
Aaj
It's
tea.
tea.
Aaj tea. Today it's tea.
Okay. Prem from UDP says hello to you people.
Hello.
Hello.
So yeah, you have been to a lot of rides and you have explored. I think Mysore ke आजू बाजू में there is no place that you have not explored or things like that.
Not
So can you
exactly.
tell us?
Yes, we've seen. Yeah.
So can you tell us some places where we can go around Mysore? I have been to Mysore, but
Yeah.
I've been
But
to
but not to the Bullet House.
yes, I know. I have not been to Mysore after I met you, but before that, yes, I
Correct.
Yes.
need to come there.
Yes.
So you have to
Mysore,
tell
as
me
you
what are the
know,
places.
yes, Mysore, as it is known, it is called the heritage city.
Yes.
So yes, we have the world famous Mysore Zoo, which is 100+ years old, and I believe it is Asia's biggest. And
Oh,
second thing
it's a
is
lovely one.
yes, and second thing is the KRS Dam, Krishnaraja Sagar Dam, which was built by Sir Vishweshwaraya. So that is also a wonder which has been there for more than 100+ years. And then the
Yeah.
Chamundi Temple, which is very famous,
Yes.
and the Mysore Palace,
Absolutely. And there's this
Karanji
cathedral
Lake, some
also.
of these, yeah, some other picnic spots like Srirangpatna, wherein you have this Tipu Sultan's fort, Summer Palace, bird sanctuary. Again, bird sanctuary is very famous in Mysore. You get birds across the not country, worldwide. The season starts from October till March or April, I guess.
Uh-huh.
So I had recently been there, in fact, last month.
But we are blessed that we are in city called Mysore, wherein Aju Baju mein, if you see it, is like not.
Yeah,
It's
there are too
not
many
more than
places.
180 kilometers from north mein jao, east mein jao, kahin bhi jao. It is like some or the other beautiful destination. You get to go to Coorg, you get to go to Ooty, you get to go to Kerala, you get to go to Tamil Nadu. So it is like we are in the center and ऐसा हो जाता है ride करो तो it is like एक दिन में जाके आ जाते हो. It is as easy and as good and wonderful places we are blessed to. So
Yeah,
that's about it.
that's an advantage of being
Being
in
in
Mysore.
Mysore, yes.
You get to hit Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, and Kerala.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think we could come little this side.
Okay.
One second. I'm sorry. I'm sitting in a hotel, so someone has tried something, so it's got into my throat.
Okay.
So that's how Mysore is a very well-known place across the globe, and you have too many places to visit. You cannot cover Mysore if you really want to explore. You cannot cover Mysore in 1 or 2 days. You need to spend a couple of days.
Yeah, so when I came to Mysore, I had done a trip. So Mumbai, Bangalore, Mysore, Coorg,
Yeah.
and back.
Yeah.
So that was a lovely thing, and that's when I kind of explored Mysore. And when I
Yeah.
went to the Mysore Zoo, so I went to the cathedral over there. I went to Chamundi Temple, Chamundeshwari Temple. I went to the
Yes.
palace,
These are some of
obviously.
the famous places in Mysore.
Huh. But I never expected that zoo to be so beautiful. You know, I
Yeah.
Zoo.
मतलब सोचा, so I thought like जाएंगे एक घंटे में वापस आ जाएंगे.
No, it
And
is
trust,
around 5 kilometers.
I spent 5 hours over there looking at all the species, and
Yeah.
I saw the kangaroo, I saw the giraffe. I mean,
Yeah.
even there is a separate bird sanctuary over there inside,
Oh,
which it
Yes.
yes.
would take so much time to see. It was
Yes.
lovely.
Exactly.
Also a
And
snake park.
yeah, and even the crocodile park over there.
Yes.
Uh, the best thing is I liked is all the animals were taken care of very well. They, कोई भी
Yes.
ऐसा
Yes.
केकड़ा सा ऐसा पतला सा नहीं था, unfed नहीं
Yes.
था.
And you can adapt, you can even adopt these
Yeah,
animals.
yeah,
You can
yeah. I
see the
saw that.
signboard there. Yeah.
Yeah, someone had adopted a rhinoceros over there.
Yeah.
तो
Yeah.
मैंने देखा था वहाँ पे. So, yeah. So that was really beautiful, and that cathedral was so tall कि
Yeah.
उसको ऊपर देखने के लिए I had to like literally walk up to the gate, and then I could see the roof of it. So that was beautiful.
Yes. Now they have some of the rarest species also. They have anacondas
Yeah.
also in the Mysore Zoo. And now
Yes.
recently they have developed the gates and all. They have modified and they kept doing some different stuff. In fact, so it is one of the very big tourist attraction for Mysore.
Yeah. That's a good place to visit. So whenever anyone says मैं मैसूर जा रहा हूँ, so I tell them तू बाकी कुछ देखे नहीं देखे zoo में जरूर जाना,
जरूर
Yes.
जाना.
because that is worth it. Like I mean,
Yeah,
I
right.
mean,
It's seriously worth it.
yeah. So where all apart from Mysore have you been to?
Like riding.
Yes.
Yeah, like riding. Couple of times we have done to Hyderabad, Mumbai, Gujarat. Then last year we did our three country ride, which we started from Mysore, which was around for 30 days, 12,000 kilometers. We covered from Mysore to Kanyakumari, and then Bhutan, Nepal, then Leh, then came back via Rajasthan, covering the Golden Quadrilateral Network. So this was around 12,000 kilometers for 30 days.
Wow. मैं
So
भी
that
जाना
was the
चाहती
biggest ride. Other than that, we did the Western Koteshwar ride. We did for
हूँ. Okay.
11 days. That was in 2017.
Okay.
That was around 5,500 kilometers.
Wow.
We went to the West End.
हाँ. So West End में क्या क्या किया?
West End, Run of Kutch.
हाँ.
And then this was, in fact,
An extension, right?
we attended WCRM event. So this
Igatpuri.
Igatpuri wala. So this was
Okay.
an extension of our ride because we had planned we are going there, and then we thought we will cover Run of Kutch. Then reaching Run of Kutch, Bhuj we went, and then we came to know, yeah, we are close to Western Point. So we decided, okay, let's cover that and come. Yeah, that is how it was planned.
Wow. Nice.
So that was an amazing experience then, way back. Yeah, almost 3 years over.
So Kalpana says you went to Gandikota, you did a ride, and you did like 3,500 plus photographs.
Yeah, I'm just
Know about.
Gandikota, if you any of you have not explored, please
do.
go. Please go. Yes, there is little amount of trekking, climbing, thorny bushes, rock sliding. But once you reach there, na, it is
Worth-
seriously heaven.
worth
Yeah.
a ride, worth an experience. You have
So
to
normally I'm not into much of this trekking and climbing. But this this Gandikota, which was in plan from 2015-16.
Yeah.
The problem was every time the accommodation gets booked 1 month, 1.5 months before. So because of this COVID time, probably we got it.
Wow.
So yeah, we booked, and there is this. Apart from this Grand Canyon, one must go to this waterfall.
That's a hidden thing which not many of
That's-
them know, but I would definitely recommend जो भी जा रहा है गंडीकोटा करने जा रहा है, this is the best time also because
Yes.
it's humidity नहीं है and the weather is absolutely amazing, and if you have to do it now, and but you have to do it. You have to do it.
Yes.
So one of the best experience, the best ride, or दो दिन कैसा like it went, we absolutely had no idea. I wish we could have stayed for another couple of days.
Yes. After coming back, we are feeling like it has been so many ages that we visited that place.
Yeah.
It's the
So
feel.
you have to
But
come with
seriously,
me then.
roads are not good. Roads are not good. Around 60, 70 kilometers of literally bad roads. But up to the highway, the roads are very good.
And it's not Pachi water, Red Rooster Crusader. It's clean water. You won't know, so he is telling it's not good.
Okay.
He just came, took a picture, and he just came off.
Yeah, you have to you have to seriously
descend,
climb down.
actually. You
Yeah,
have to literally descend.
descend to close to 100 feet plus.
Yeah, exactly.
Wow. Wow.
So somebody, in fact, the funny part was morning we visited to the canyon, and then at the resort, that guy told us that there is a waterfall. You can get into water. So we are all eager because it is a little humid, in fact, there. So we wanted to go. Again, it is the same place, but you have to deviate. So somebody came to know, follow the white mark. Somebody had marked it literally.
और वो भी white mark कैसा है on
Drops.
the rocks. He has put just mark ऐसा bottle लेके ना. He would have just made a hole to the bottle और जैसा वो जा रहा है, it would have just splashed on the road. And इतना funny था, wherein there is a path you can go straight, but वो बंदा ने ऐसा किया है, ऐसा जाके ऐसा घुमा के, like it was really fun to walk on the trail because like even if you go straight, you get the same point. But वो बंदा ने probably 890 or 60 मार के ना, he would have taken the bottle and he would have just gone like that.
So हमने भी ऐसा ही follow
So
किया.
we just follow the white line, the white dots wherever it was fun. But destination. It probably would have taken a 60 or a 90 and he would have marked the entire territory how to go to a waterfall. But
Go around.
it was necessary that Nathan you would have gone down some gorge down or something like that. But it was fun.
That is I would suggest people who have not gone should go there, because this Gandikota you can ride.
19 में लिया था ना?
नहीं 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 होता भी, अगर लिया तो जा नहीं पाते उधर. So there is this Gandikota fort wherein you can drive your car or two-wheeler, and after the fort there is a small village. That's the end. You have a Jama Masjid. The Jama Masjid is the end. All ancient heritage sites.
But what I actually felt, na Shilpa, when I went there, it's such an amazing place, such an historical place, but kept in such a bad shape. Itna gandagi, itna ganda, like, you know, I mean, like, I just went there and we saw that if at all we get a chance to do something from the riding community about pick up a place, like, you know, clean it up or make it more important, or to give an awareness, like, you know, you don't crash things and how to keep it. I really wish we all come together and do something. Like, it's not like a huge thing, but still, when you have a small village wherein this Gandikota, for example, वो आजू बाजू में कुछ भी नहीं है, they are just local people, but yet I felt like अरे एक awareness ऐसा हो जाए तो there is a lot of difference you can do. I mean, you don't have to wait for a government or any other organization to come and do something. If you really like a place, if you are a traveler and you want to make a difference, please go ahead and do it. I really want to urge to all the riding community out there, for people, let's come together, pick up a place. It's not just one day ka jo it is going to make a difference, but it will definitely make a difference if you have a thought about it and there are people who come to it. And we have to do it. Yeah, I really, really felt like, you know, this is a wonderful place. But the awareness over there and the thing, if at all we get a chance to do something, we have to come together and we'll do it. Actually, I really want to ask people,
Yeah,
the entire riding community, let's do something different. Let's
sure.
support, let's create awareness. If we get a chance, we should come together.
Yeah, that's a good idea actually. And so in Maharashtra, what we do is we do these cleanup treks,
Yeah,
wherein when we go trekking, we carry bags and we clean up the trash that is thrown by these other trekkers,
true,
irresponsible people who
true,
go there and throw around things and come back. So we take
true.
these cleanup treks and come back. So yeah, we can. It's a good idea. We as riders, when we go to
Since
visit these
this
places, we can do this kind of an initiative.
No, we should, we
no,
should.
since Gandikota, this place you have to trek and go, na. So near the falls or the Grand Canyon, there is not much of this filth. But
Right.
when
On
this
the top.
fort and the village, probably there it needs little cleaning.
Yeah.
More
So
of
that's
cleaning, it's
something
the
that we
awareness
do.
of
Awareness,
Aware.
yes.
Correct. Absolutely. Absolutely. So out of all these rides, I mean, Gandikota is the most recent one I know. But out
Yes.
of all the other rides that you have done and your 12,000 kilometers, wala, which other ride has left a memory with you, which can stay like for your lifetime?
No, lifetime. So
all
मेरे
the
लिए हर ride,
Abhi tak,
every
abhi tak.
ride is equally important for me. But yes, of course, when we talk about some memories, yes, some memories are like we did 1,000 kilometers in a day, 1,200 kilometers less than 24 hours as a group. See, as an individual, it is easy that you can go wherever. But
Correct.
taking the group and planning, see, mainly what happens, we have a problem if to attend an event or to a destination, leaves would be the major constraint for us. So,
Yeah.
थोड़ा भागम भाग करते हैं. तो ऐसा we have done close to 1,000 kilometers wala, we have done close to 4 to 5 times now.
Wow.
So,
Awesome.
so we do this. We start early morning and reach there by whatever time, but less than 24 hours. So this we have done as a group, not as one or two persons, because everybody will be together. So that is how we fix a destination. So हमारा ज़्यादातर rather exploring more places, we are more into ride loving people.
Wow.
So I love to ride more.
Awesome.
तो
So,
जो भी
can you
बचा
tell me,
कुचा
so,
टाइम होता है हम लोग we have a other pack of people wherein we will do all mastis and he will say okay you chillax you relax हम जाके
So,
आते हैं.
so it is like I normally state, even the 12,000 kilometers was a Bagambag ride for us. Initially it was K2K, but then because of these leaves and other adjustments, I could get up to 30 days. That is how I planned for Bhutan and Nepal included. But we spent only 2.5 days. Again,
okay.
as a biker, going and exploring, you need a lot more time. So I normally state, if you are really interested to explore, you should go by other mode of transport. Yeah, you should have more number of days to
More
spend.
number of days.
So
Correct.
that you can do when you go by a flight or other mode of transport. So wherein you go to Nepal, spend a week's time, Bhutan, spend a week's time. So there you can explore. As a biker, now every time we have our luggage, jacket, helmet. So हर जगह जाने का एक problem है कि हमको every time you have to
सामान का
remove, you have to safeguard it. Then this is a problem because as a group, when we are 20 plus to 30, so seriously we cannot accommodate everything safety.
Correct. Yeah. Absolutely.
No, but still we manage to do the most important places wherever we go. Na? For example, before Gandikota, we had been to Gokarna.
Okay. That's also
Gokarna, yes, where we had been, that was a private beach. So the idea was to go to a beach. So we went there. I said, I will not move for the next 2 days from here. Anybody wants to go anywhere. So I was on the beach. So it was fun. Because, see, en route we saw the Murdeshwar temple. So, so other than that, destination जो fix रहता है, so that is the first thing for me to be there. And the others who are interested, normally she will go somewhere. They will go and come.
Which is good, right? So you can do what you want and she will do what she wants, and then at the end of the day,
She
झगड़ा नहीं
she
होगा
is
ना कि
interested in
तुम्हारा करो मैं
shopping.
मेरा करती हूँ.
ये
That
उधर भी
you
shopping
cannot blame.
करती है.
Yeah, that you cannot blame. That's part of a woman's right.
Yeah,
Birthright है वो.
exactly.
You
Exactly.
cannot.
No, ऐसे
You
नहीं
know,
होता है. आज मैं बताती हूँ. The other people, whoever has like, you know, if they want to go to some destination or ऐसा कुछ party ऐसा करते हैं, तो मेरे से like, you know, they take me as a bait saying that auntie अब बोला ना. तो एक ऐसा कीड़ा मेरे दिमाग में like they leave it in my head and I'll be like, okay, chalo, let's go. So that's how they get to do things. Yeah.
yeah. मतलब
चलते रहते हैं.
ये हमारे खड़ूस बुड्ढे बाबा है और ये हमारी चिकनी आंटी है. हम चिकनी आंटी के साथ जाएंगे.
नहीं खड़ूस वड़ूस नहीं है. I let them live their life, no problem.
But we always try to drag him though. But he'll come. Reluctantly he'll come.
Of course, I have seen the way you people interact with your group, as in your
Yeah.
club and all that, and that's really amazing. So you have to give us some tip on how to maintain this enthusiasm
Wait.
long distances without cribbing or anything. Sorry, can you hear me?
As a group, I would say like
Keep loving, keep inspiring.
no the amount of एक word होता है ना, people with having same mental disorder or all together. So हमारा mental disorder है कि we want to ride. So वो riding का कीड़ा इतना है हमारे like in every people of our group that it is not like एक बंदा say we ride and the other one will say we don't want to ride. Yeah, it is not like that. जब भी एक ride, we just came back from Gandikota and people are already planning to go for Kerala. That is next ride. So it is like that.
So basically every month we have a ride.
Okay.
In order to like have the bonding, what you asked. So this bonding comes only when you keep meeting each other.
Yeah.
So
Absolutely,
as a club, we have a culture wherein every month we meet on a Sunday morning for a chai and just general discussion, any upcoming rides or our own rides. So this is how this bonding just developed.
Huh.
And after the meeting, then every month we have a one-day ride or a overnight stay ride.
Okay.
So again, every ride there will be 20 to 30 riders who will be participating. For the rest of them who couldn't attend the rides, they will come to the meeting. So this is how you interact and keep the bondage strong. And she is good at that WhatsApp group. She will post something and the group is active. So it
Yeah,
is
I know
not
she's
that
very,
we only interact during our rides or the meet. So it is like every day. So this is our extended family kind now.
Exactly. And if not that, we have a regular weekend ka jo bhi party hai or people want to come, they just drop in. And this house is called as Bullet House.
Okay.
So
I have to come there
people,
without a
so
bullet.
यहाँ पर like people don't knock or ring the bell, they just barge in. So that's how the tradition of this house is. Apart from that, I also like to say this is we are somewhere down the line successful in breaking that myth about the riding community wherein people feel like riding community is something associated with hooliganism or something like that. But somewhere I don't know how much we inspire or how much it is like how we interact or whatever, our group, when it comes to our group, our crusaders, we know the family of them as well and the family knows us as well. So it is not like, so it is a safer place wherein the family knows like, अरे ये riding लोग क्या कर रहे हैं? It is not just about taking a bike and going about. Now people are aware, their families, their loved ones are
Yeah.
aware of the fact like, अरे आज का एक ride है तो what exactly they are doing, how they have planned, how safe it is. It is not just you take a bike and go about. So slowly, but definitely people are realizing, okay, people are going to ride, they're going to come back home safe. That confidence is there, and that's something. And we also have this event wherein in our group we also have this event called as family get together, wherein we call the extended family of our riders. They come spend a day with us and they get to meet people, they might get to meet the other riders as well. So it's family ke family, like, you know. So that's how people in our group also, it is like they know what they are, they know what crusaders are, they know what riders. So somewhere down the line, I think that also plays a very good role to keeping up that family, that bondage, because there are some your extended family also knows that what you people are.
So
True. And that makes
some
a
of
lot of
the
difference.
Yes,
yes.
it definitely makes a
So
lot.
some of them get their parents, grandparents, children. So
Oh,
this is
nice.
how we have a get together family once in 6 months we used to do.
Yeah.
This year because of COVID, nothing's
And
happening.
it's like, you know, we had a recent wedding of one of our crusaders
Day before
called
yesterday.
day before yesterday. His name is Shaz. And you believe it or not, the entire Khandan was there to welcome us, wherein we always go as a full house, full pack.
Huh.
So, pura 58 crusaders were there on the stage. A
Wow.
reception, the pura stage was us, and it was the family who were ready to welcome every 28 of us, and there were people who were waiting to see agar humne we had a food properly, or like, you know, that sort of a love and affection only comes because you are transparent and you know, you make people aware of like what we are,
Correct.
what exactly the
Absolutely.
crusaders are. So
Yeah.
this is like, you know, when you go there, you get that attention from itne buzurg log hai, people come and people see and people welcome you. I mean, it's a feel good factor. Like, you know, somewhere
Absolutely.
down the line, you could break that jinx. What was there? A riding community. So yeah.
True, true. Yeah, that's what is very essential or key to holding people together with you is to uh,
Yes.
सबसे प्यार करो और
Yep.
सबको साथ में रखो.
Yes.
So
Yes.
I'm very bad at that. You know, keeping people together. I can't because I can be with others, but I can't keep them together with me because somewhere like I am a loner, so I prefer my own time when I'm riding or
Yeah.
when I'm going somewhere.
No,
I
I
do ride with groups, but
yeah.
it's difficult for me to hold up.
Like, it is difficult for us also. Like, hey, one Sunday if we don't meet people, we are like, "Arey, what to do? Yeah, things are not happening. Just किसी को call करो, let them come home." Probably we build like that, and yeah.
Yeah.
So it is. Everybody are different.
So
Everybody is
yes,
like,
but
you know.
solo minds, you people have great courage also because I cannot, or neither she can be solo. We don't enjoy. Even if I
No,
have 10
we don't
days, I
want to
will
see
not
you
do
solo.
solo ride.
We don't want to see you solo.
So somewhere from way back since 96, 97, it has always been with a group of people. So that thing is always there. Even if I am free or we both are free, we don't see that we will go alone and come. We will try to see at least we pull up another 4 or 5 people and then go.
That's really I mean, you know, that spirit is really good and great
Yeah.
because for people like us, like I do ride with groups, ऐसा नहीं है, लेकिन मैं एक ग्रुप नहीं बना सकती, that is not me.
Yeah.
And I
Yeah.
because I cannot hold them, I can stick with other groups but I cannot bring people to me as such. So maybe that, you know, it's a different kind of a attitude or different kind of a thought process that goes on.
Yeah.
Maybe people can say that I'm being selfish and I don't want to take
So it's
responsibility
not
for
about
things.
being
It's not being
selfish,
selfish.
but
Yes.
let me tell you, it's not easy. It's not easy also
To do solo.
to do solo or to even to have a group or to maintain that thing. Once you become a group leader or something, it's not something that we have put ourselves into, but there are people who put yourself us there. Like, you know, they
Right.
look up to you as a leader. They look up to you as a inspiration. They look up to you as somebody who they can follow or things. So it is not easy on our part either.
Absolutely,
So, but
absolutely.
again, like
Yeah, any ride, first name will be ours.
True. I mean, you have to put yourself. You are running the
exactly.
whole
No,
group.
even
You have
if
to put
we
yourself
don't
out.
put, it will be added.
Yeah, and it's default.
It's
Default.
like
Yeah,
default.
obviously it has to be default. उसमें कोई
Yes.
शक ही नहीं है.
Yes.
अब now when I come to Mysore, you will be the default. मतलब तुम्हारे घर पे ही सामान डलने वाला है सबसे पहले बाहर निकलने से
No
पहले.
problem.
No, this thing has been
See,
happening. This thing has been happening from Cub. WCRM.
Yes.
No, get together. First get together, remember?
17.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And I still haven't learned the bike because you all promised me that you will come and teach me.
Okay.
Remember?
I'm coming there for a month. I'll teach you and then I'll come back. By
Okay,
the
तो
time
मैं
I'll
rider
explore
बनूंगी
Mysore
अब.
again. Absolutely, absolutely.
Yes.
Then I will remove her and put her in the ladies group एक बना हुआ है मैसूर में.
नहीं नहीं ऐसा कोई लेडीज ग्रुप नहीं चाहिए हम लोग को. हम लोग वी आर ओके विद बोथ ग्रुप.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So, like you said, you when you grow in groups, your group is large, like 15-20 लोग वगैरह होते हैं and all that.
Yeah, we are
So,
around 70 plus.
as in when you're riding to a
Yeah.
destination, you have these number of people and all. How do you manage the breakdowns and then adjust your timings accordingly?
अभी एक एग्जाम्पल लास्ट राइड का I will tell you. From while coming back from Gandikota, we had a bike issue. Normally, if it is a puncture or a smaller thing, as in a group ride, there will be lead and sweep.
Yeah, of course.
So,
Yeah.
so most of the time, it is like I will be leading, and we will have a second lead. So we will have two leads and kind of two sweeps. At the front, I will be carrying some of the spares and toolkit. At the back also, or in between also, they will have. So अभी आने के time पे one bike had a problem. It didn't start. So we tried many different things and it didn't start. So finally, it had to be put and got by a truck.
Okay.
So what we do during at that time, if it is a breakfast time, lunch time, or a dinner time, so what we do is we send rest of the group members, leaving 1 or 2 people or 2 to 3 people there, and then the rest of the group will go to the nearest hotel or wherever. If it is breakfast time, they'll reach the place and have breakfast and be ready, so that they don't. Since it is a big group, yeah, let's not waste time here. So we will push others. So that is how we manage. Most of the time, we all stay together. If it is a smaller issues and if some puncture has happened near a shop itself, we stay together. Otherwise, we move to the nearest place.
Okay.
So this group has its own advantages. These are some of the advantages. Sometimes what happens, we remove the wheel, take the wheel to a puncture shop, get it fixed and get it back.
So luckily we have a very, very good admin team. So ऐसा ही नहीं हो जाता है. Everything has to go according to the plan. So what do we have is like we have a very, very good admin team wherein from the day we start off a ride, the background check about the stay, background check about the road quality, the weather, the thing, everything has been planned. Everything we take time.
We'll have an itinerary posted also.
We have an itinerary posted. We have people to do about it. We have Amar, we have Jixon, we have Sri Ram, we have a lot of people who come, and it's not ek bande ka ride nahi hota hai. There are a lot of people who have their inputs, and we make sure that certain things जो हमारे तरफ से that we can plan. We'll plan that. But as you know that not every ride is a ride where you plan something and it goes exactly according to that. There is always something or the other. There's a breakdown, there's something. So every ride will have something or the other, but we have a group, we have a support system. Arey, ek bande ka kuch ho gaya, so there are 10 people who are ready to stay back. They are ready to do things. They are ready to help out. So we had every ride or something or the other happens, but we have a team wherein there are people who are understandingly supportive. That's mainly important. So we are blessed to have that wonderful group of people who are understanding towards the situation, help according to whatever situation we are in. And that's how we have been pulling out from 4 5 years. That's how strong we are becoming, So
Yeah,
every ride is going on like
teamwork,
that. Yeah, it's a
teamwork always
teamwork.
works.
Definitely, definitely.
So,
So if anybody asks us what's the secret of itna group bolte ho, what is the secret behind that? Is definitely our support team and all the riders. If not the riders, I don't think the
there won't be
passion
any
or the
group.
thing, this is what it backs us up. Credit goes to my people and the support team.
Crusaders.
Yes.
Cool figures, yes. So, question for you, Kavita.
Yep.
You've been a pillion rider all this while. What do you think is the best way to be a pillion rider? Because the question why I'm asking this is because there are a lot of people who go pillion, but then कभी खड्डा आ गया तो अरे मुझे खड्डे में क्यों डाल दिया इतना फास्ट क्यों चला रहा है अरे रे रे गाड़ी आ रहा है these kind of things that happen. People panic sitting behind a rider, and that kind
Exactly.
of disturbs the rider's concentration on the road and all those things. So how do you manage being a pillion? How comfortable you feel being a pillion?
Okay, this is one question. I think Sana Iqbal also, I met her in Bidar long time. So she asked me, how do you feel sitting behind somebody and you're not able to see the road, or you're not enjoying that? Or एक rider का जो एक जोश होता है ना, you're sitting
Yeah.
behind the handlebar and you're just having that view and that fun. How do you do that? Being a pillion, you don't get to see all that. So I just told her, even if I don't get to see the straight thing, I have to see the
What the other
360
degree?
degree ka jo hota hai na, I know what is happening. So it is like being a pillion is not easy. Being a pillion is not easy, as I would say is like मेरा भी उतना ही फटती है जो एक राइडर का फटता है. And the worst thing is you don't have anything to do apart from being sitting behind. But having said that, your responsibility increases as a pillion because there are two people who are riding on a bike and you have to be responsible to whatever he's riding with. So there is two people, amount of weight. And if there is something we know that there is some hump aa raha hai, ek gadda hai, or you have to be aware of what is he going to do in a situation like that. If there is a gadda, I know that if I have seen it before, I'll just I'll stand up or make sure that he doesn't lose his balance. I don't panic. I know, because there should be a complete trust on the person who is riding, who you're sitting behind, because you should know his maneuver, like how is he going to do, is he going to go straight or is he going to go inside the gadda, and what is your next move. My thing is don't panic, don't panic, trust in him. I always do that. And the thing is when people say being a pillion, what do you get? I get to go to places where, and I am spending time with my spouse, I'm spending time with the person who I am with. And people say, don't you get backache? I will get backache. I definitely get backache. Once I get down from the ride, I have. But that's all a part and parcel of the things what you,
Yeah.
you're
Passionate.
you're passionate about something, you like about something. And for me, what I feel like, it's all your mindset.
True.
Agar you feel you're tired, half the time I'll be sleeping on the bike and he is like, get up, get up, get up.
This is what I was waiting for.
So I will tell, because you just asked me what is the thing. It's a ho jata hai, most of the time I'll be sleeping, or I'll just tell him, "Arey, go fast, nahi to mere ko neend aa raha hai. Please make it 100 or 120 or something. I can't sit behind you." But above all, as you asked, what is the
But she
thing?
doesn't panic.
I don't
the
panic.
thing is, because she's been sitting as a pillion since 97, even with those crazy times of high speed and all. And she doesn't and never panics. Only thing before the hump or whatever I see, I say hump, hump. She will stand up.
And she'll
नहीं नहीं
jump.
ऐसा भी हुआ है जो एक दो तीन बार गड्ढे में गिरा है and my back is like ouch and I'll give him one on his helmet so he will like okay so he gets his thing like
So
one
sometimes
patak I
when
give.
she sleeps, na purposefully I go on a hump or a gadda and say, okay, now be awake.
It's an understanding and I hope I stand up for all the people who are pillion.
But it
who,
is
like,
not
you know,
easy. It
it's
is not easy because as a rider, you have something to concentrate. You have something to accelerate, clutch, braking, something or the other. You are being constantly, you are watching something. Being a pillion, just sitting and coming, they are not aware which hump you are going to take the bike or which pothole you are going to put. So just sitting and coming is not an easy job. It is a very difficult job. Accordingly, the seats are also like I've changed. The backrest has been little modified. The seats have little widened. So, but still, yes, it is not an easy job to
hats
sit
off
and
to all
come.
the pillions out there. At least I am making somewhat the inspiration.
No, I agree to that because so when I started riding, before I started riding, I used to be pillion with my friend all the time, and because he used to get tired, he started teaching me to ride. So
Yeah.
that's the reason why he forced me to learn to ride.
No,
But
in fact, I taught her to ride. She knows to
I know
ride
to
a
ride. I
two-wheeler.
can save some asses, but yeah.
I have taught her way long back. I think around 4 5 years back itself, I had taught her. But she's more comfortable being a pillion.
अरे मेरे को ऐसा नहीं होता है that I have to jump into the bandwagon because everybody is doing it. मेरा probably I'm built up like that. I can give an example. I will be very comfortable in whatever my situation is. Like, you know, I have a two-wheeler. I had a two-wheeler. When I was very comfortable riding that, there was a car which was parked more than 6 months. I never touched the car.
okay,
That's
wow.
because I am in my comfort zone. If I am happy with my comfort zone, I can go about a number of time or any long period of time. The thing is that it should come to me. I never jump into a bandwagon. जो सब कर रहे तो मैं भी करूँ. So it's something like it should come to me. If I have to decide I want to ride today, I will ride. It's not like that. I will do it. And I'll definitely do it. It's something which is inbuilt for
And
me,
you
like
should
yeah, and I will do it. And you're coming no to teach me.
exactly.
So
That's
you
why
see,
you
like
should do
I've told none of the guys or none of the people because he can never teach me because he can't because he is like so irritating. Yeah.
So, and now you should join the bandwagon with me because I am there and I have promised you to ride. So
Yes.
अभी कोई excuse नहीं. But
Excuse
then the
me.
main reason, so I have been pillion a lot of time and typically when I'm awake, being a pillion, I go around photographing on the move. So
Yeah, even I do that.
and otherwise, yes, one thing is like you said, you know, we have to be one with the rider. We cannot have a
Exactly.
different body language while we are with the rider because the rider
True.
is doing too many things and we cannot suddenly panic and press that person's shoulder or hand.
True. True.
And also while sitting, you know, I see many people holding at the back, as in the
Yeah,
back,
exactly.
grab rail.
Yeah.
But
Yeah.
that I think is bad to do because you're pulling your weight back rather than pushing it in
Exactly.
the front.
Exactly.
So
Exactly.
yeah, I think you got visitors at your place.
I'll just speak back.
Yeah,
So
someone at the door.
that Kavita should learn to ride soon. So then we will make a wagon and band leke jayenge. So it will become bandwagon. So what is your future ride plan? Quickly tell us.
Future ride plan, as mentioned, every month we'll have a ride. That's for sure. So there are no immediate future big ride plans because of this COVID time. So we started last 4 months back. So initially we did one day rides close by 2 hours up and down, 250. So this is how we started, and then from the third month we started overnight stay because everybody was so fed up. From from February was the last ride for of us. So everybody was so fed up that they didn't wanted any one day rides. Let's do overnight stay. So that is how we've been doing every month overnight stays. And past 2 months, Gandikota we did 3 days, and again Gokarna we did 3 days. Considering all the facts, we cannot keep on doing 3 days ride
Yeah.
constantly or a two overnight stay. So hoping the next month probably we might do Kerala beach again.
Wow.
So
Nice.
yeah, so that is the plan as of now. Hopefully things go correct well.
Absolutely, absolutely. Prem, you missed that question when I had asked Satish to tell which bikes he rode. He started with a RX, moved to a Shogun, and now he's into
Shogun,
bullets.
yeah,
So that's how he started riding. So yeah. So we are running out of time. I have a lot of things, and as you know that अपना बात कभी खत्म नहीं होने वाला. And the
that's
more
there.
we talk, the more it will keep continuing. But
Yes,
for the sake of time, I will have to end the session. But
yeah,
yes, it was awesome talking to you and to
same here,
Kavita.
same here. Thank you for
And
the opportunity.
no, I hope you all enjoyed the session and give us some more riders who would love to share their stories with Roaring Cycles on our platform as such, and we would
Sure,
love to
sure.
bring them and make them known to the biking community. So,
Yes, yes.
looking forward to meeting you in person in Mysore or wherever we are.
Always
But
welcome.
definitely, बुलेट हाउस में एक बार तो हम बुलेट चलाएंगे पक्का.
Sure, sure. Why not?
Cool. So thanks very much for accepting our invite and being on the show. I
Thank
hope you
you.
had a lovely time with us
Yes,
and
pleasure.
have a lovely rest of Sunday and the week ahead as well. Pleasureful. I know it's all work, 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 but then फिर भी
Yeah,
मजे करो.
we have to
And
manage.
take care. Uh,
Yeah, take care. Thank you once
take care.
again.
And give
She's
my
come.
regards to Kavita.
Bye.
Oh, she's come.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
yes. Thank you
Hey,
so much
Kavita.
for having us both.
Yeah,
It was a
thanks for
different.
being with us. It was
Yeah.
lovely, and I hope you join our other shows as well, wherein we share stories of other
Sure,
riders
sure.
on
Definitely so
Wednesdays and
much.
Thank you so
Sundays. Wednesdays.
much.
On behalf of all the Crusaders, thank you.
Thank you for being with us. Do join
Bye
us
bye.
on other shows Wednesday 8 p.m., Sunday 5 p.m., and see you soon. Bye bye.
Thank you. Thank
Bye
you.
bye.
Be safe.
You too. So, guys, that was Satish and Kavita for you all, and I hope you all enjoyed the session as usual. Do join us back on Wednesday at 8 p.m. to listen to another story from another rider, or I think this is going to be a listing. So, yes, let's see who is going to be listed this time. So, join us back. Have a lovely week ahead. Enjoy the rest of a Sunday, and see you soon. Bye bye. Take care.